NPP Chief and Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Monday chaired the National Committee meeting of the National People's Party at Constitution Club of India, New Delhi. The meeting was attended by members of the party from Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram, Chhattisgarh and other states. During the meeting, different states presented their report on poll preparedness for the upcoming Lok Sabha election and Assembly election in the state of Mizoram. The newly elected MLAs from Meghalaya, Nagaland and Manipur were also facilitated during the meeting.
The National People's Party has been a party which was started by late P.S. Sangmaji, and based on his ideologies and his vision, we have moved the party forward. And today, with his guidance and his blessings, we have achieved the goal of becoming a national party in the country today.